We were very successful. After a short time, we implemented Seebo. It was really eye-opening to see that they identified parameters we never had in mind that could have an effect on throughput without losing quality. I'm Miriam Müller. I'm a process expert here at Lindt & Sprüngli in Aachen. Lindt & Sprüngli is one of the leading companies of the premium chocolate market, and we are constantly working to improve our great products and to meet modern requirements to enchant the world with chocolate.
The main challenge is to adjust our processes and machines to the changing properties of the incoming materials while maintaining a very stable environment and a very good condition of all machines. The solution is a strategic solution for us because we really reach a new level of production efficiency. So with Seebo we can continue to produce the best chocolate in the world with improved efficiency and better cost and higher throughput, so we can fulfill the demand of the world even better.
Seebo is constantly developing the solution and adding new features that simplify and improve our analysis procedures. And the personal contact with Seebo ensures that we always know where to start and where to optimize. With this solution, we have achieved significant optimization in throughput and quality objectives.
The biggest benefit is that it's very innovative, gives us additional insights into what's going on, helps us with basic cost analysis, gives us an edge on output and on maintenance costs, but at the same time it enables people that are actually operating the machines to make much better decisions about what to do next in case there's a problem.
Partnering with Seebo was definitely the right decision for the whole team, for the whole Lindt factory. We learned a lot about our process and were able to further optimize a line which was already very efficient.